Hey guys, I'm in the car again. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. So I was driving down the street and I noticed a sign, and this is like totally classic me. It said thrift store, and I was like, hang on, because I'm in a part of town, I'm in Holly Springs, like Holly Springs Apex sign right now, that I really like. Like, I like the people, I like this area, so I'm thinking I'm probably gonna like their thrift store, which is like a thrift tip if I've ever heard one. So I'm gonna go in this place before they close and see if it's any good, and I thought I'd take you with me, so let's do it. So it's called the Thrift Donation Place. Going inside, they have like all these little cute Christmassy clothes by the door. I don't know. Actually, that's pretty cute, but that's for a girl. Size is that? No, too small. Okay, let's go. Oh, I like these. I also like their prices. Yeah. So everything's categorized by color. I don't need anything. And I actually don't even need anything to sell on Poshmark. So this is kind of like gonna be an interesting trip. I just want to see if they have anything good. I remember what I wanted. Candlesticks. Like, I think I want brass ones though, brass candlesticks. Speaker is messing me up, it's so loud. I love these kind of chairs. Yeah, the table napkins. I want to know how much they are each. Oh, that's a bit much. $1.99. So these are kind of cute. I think I'm gonna try them on.
Minimize the tripping hazard.
Oh, thank you. You're so kind. Tight. They're cute though. I'm a legit Levi's girl. Like, I've always worn Levi's ever since I was a kid. That's what I wear. And I found these. I think they're super cute. So I think they're really good. I think, I mean, they're the right length, but I think I'm gonna cut them off. Sorry, I might have to redo all this footage. They're the right length, but I think I'm gonna cut them off because I think that's what I want. Alright, I've never sat this on something like this before, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I don't know if you guys just caught what happened. The music in that place was so loud. I'm gonna have to listen back to it because I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to like keep the talking footage or if I'm going to have to, like, if you'll be watching the footage. But I was just in that store. I put the name of it so you guys could find it if you live in my area, and at first I kind of thought, oh, maybe this is a dud, because they had some good stuff. They had some good stuff, but it just wasn't a bunch of great stuff. Like, the quantity of the good stuff wasn't there. It was actually pretty organized, which in some ways was like a really cool thing, but when you're like me and you really like hunting, sometimes a lot of organization can be a little bit annoying and just harder to actually feel like you're hunting and finding good stuff, because it's like everything is color coded. So you don't know if you want a blue dish. And if you're one of those people who's looking for the blue dish, then that's great. But if you're one of those people who just likes to look and kind of browse and see what you can find and dig through things, everything being in color, organized by color or something like that, kind of makes you feel like you found it all. And you're just like, okay, here are all the blue dishes, you know. So anyway, it's a little anticlimactic, if you will. So I was about to leave, And then I thought to myself, you know what? I would be a fool not to look at the jeans in here, because finding good jeans is probably one of the hardest things for all people and all thrifters especially. And specifically finding good Levi's jeans is really hard. So I just start flipping, and I'm gonna give you guys some tips for shopping for jeans. So tip number 1 is to look at the zippers. This is a pretty popular tip, but you need to know what length zipper you need. Me, I need a mid-rise, like a mid to high, not a high rise. I need a mid to high rise because I have a short torso and I'm just shaped a little bit differently than most people who are wearing high-waisted jeans. So if I want my jeans to look high-waisted, I need mid. Tip number 2 would be to look at the thickness of the jeans. Really look at the material. You don't have to flip through every single pair of jeans and really look them all over to know if they're going to be what you're looking for. If you want those vintage, sturdy, strong, thick jeans with like very little stretch, you want to just like look at fabric. When you come to some that look like they're 100% cotton, stop. Then you want to look at the wash. So tip number 3 is kind of have an idea of what wash you're looking for. I knew I was looking for like a mid, not dark, like mid to light wash jean because I want them to look older and it's more likely that I would find them. I have found Levi's though in a dark wash that were sturdy and all of the things, but and I can show those to you real quick here. I found those and they were these, and they're like a shorts, high-rise short, and so I cut them off because they were pants originally, but I cut them off and they have this really fun back for the Levi's. I just thought they were super cute. They are really high. Remember what I said about the zipper? Look how long that zipper is. A long zipper as opposed to the ones that I just got. The zipper is like this, still long but not as long, not as high. Those other ones, I mean, they come up super high. So anyway, oh, Samson's in here. Hey, Click-a-tat Street. Hi, Bubba. The number one thing that annoys me about pigs is they are always eating. Always. Okay. Oh, Sam, please go out. Tip number 3 is to look for a good wash. Tip number 4, don't give up. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. If you know what you want, you need to look at them all. I almost stopped right before I found the pair that I wanted. So I flipped through. You need to know what you're looking for. I know my jeans. I said in the store, if you didn't hear it, I'll put it in right now. I know my jeans. I'm a Levi's girl. I don't just wear Levi's because they're popular right now. I'm actually like a Levi's wearer. They are what look good on me, and so that's what I've been wearing since I was younger, since it wasn't, when it wasn't popular, when it wasn't cool. I was just always able to find my size. I'm kind of like a longer string bean type, and so they just work for me. They've always worked for me. That's what I wear. So love these jeans, so happy. I think I'm gonna cut them off because I like my jeans to be like ankle, but I didn't want these to be skinnies. They're straight leg. I think they're a regular fit, Levi's 505, and they're kind of in the junior cut, so it's a 3 medium, but that doesn't really mean anything because they're obviously a little bit older, but I am so happy about these. I'm so happy about them. Yay! Let's move on. I showed you the water bottle. Got this one for $3. I really like glass water bottles like this one, and especially with the bamboo top. I've got another one, I think that came from Target, that I really like. This one's got like a plastic inside. The other one that I've had a, it was more like a rubbery inside, but yeah, and it's wider mouthed, which is great. Yay. Then I got a video that still had the plastic on it, How to Lose a Guy. This is actually one of the few chick flicks that Evan will watch with me and enjoy. And so it's kind of, it's probably, yeah, it's rated PG-13. Don't watch it if you're not under that. Probably under 15 or 16. But for the most part, I would say 80% of this is just a really funny, cute movie. And then on my way out the door, I saw Christmas ornaments. At first I misread the sign and I thought they were $1 a piece, and to me that's a lot for Christmas ornaments. Then I reread the sign and I saw it was 10 for $1, so I was like, okay, let me just see what you got. I found these. Aren't these cute? And on my white tree, it's just, I'm gonna be the most obnoxious Christmas person this year, but I just think these are gonna be super fun. So some of them are matte, kind of like a satiny finish, and then some of them are really shiny. And I got 10 stars, probably 5 of each. Yeah, I got 5 of each, 10 stars. And so I think that's gonna be really fun. And actually, that's all I got. So with that being said, how much did I spend? 10 bucks for those 4 categories of things. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed this. I think I actually might start tomorrow's vlog today, just because I'm about to put up the Christmas tree, but I think this is enough for today. So tomorrow we're putting up the Christmas tree. Super duper excited. You'll get to see that, and it's just gonna be a lot of fun. Guys, if you liked this video, I would love it if you would comment below, tell me what you liked, what you like to look for at the thrift store, and if you love it, subscribe. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.